Welcome to this lesson on the water cycle, a vital process that moves water through the environment. The water cycle is a continuous journey of water as it circulates between the atmosphere, land, and oceans. This cycle is driven by the energy of the sun. The key processes in the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection, and transpiration. Each of these plays a role in the continuous movement of water. In the first step, water is heated by the sun and changes from a liquid into water vapor through evaporation. This vapor rises into the atmosphere. As the water vapor rises, it cools and changes back into tiny liquid droplets. These droplets come together to form clouds. This is known as condensation. When clouds become heavy with water droplets, the droplets fall back to the Earth's surface. This process is called precipitation. It can occur as rain, snow, hail, or sleet. After precipitation, water collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of it also seeps into the ground and becomes groundwater. Plants release water into the air from their leaves. This process is called transpiration and it adds water vapor to the atmosphere. The water cycle is essential because it recycles water, provides fresh water for living things, and influences weather and climate. Let us evaluate what you have learned about the water cycle. Multiple choice questions. Question 1. Which process turns water into vapor? Is it A. Precipitation, B. Condensation, or C. Evaporation? Question 2. What causes condensation to happen in the water cycle? A. Cooling of water vapor, B. Heating of oceans, or C. Movement of wind? Question 3. Where does most of the collected water eventually go? A. Into the clouds, B. Into oceans, lakes, and rivers, or C. Into plants only? Now for some short answer questions. Question 1. Name 2 forms of precipitation. Question 2. What powers the water cycle? Question 3. Explain transpiration in 1 sentence. Take a moment to review your answers. Great work! You're one step closer to mastering the water cycle. Today, we explored the water cycle and learned how water moves around our planet. Remember, the cycle never ends and it is crucial for all life on Earth. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.